So hari ni kita nak tukar door weather strip for window molding. The condition is very bad, so we are going to replace to the new one. So nak buka, how to remove the old one. Kat sini ada satu screw. So nak buka kita perlu star key. Star key. Without the star key, you can open this. Getah semua dah hilang. Dah makan. Masukkan. Dah masuk, kita kunci semula. Terus tutup. Front right. Front right. Okay, dah buka. Rear left weather stripping. Ada satu screw kat sini. Kita guna key untuk buka. So yang lama punya agak ketat. Kita tarik, kita tolak perlahan-lahan. Okay, see, getah dia seal dah terkeluar. Kotoran melekat kat sini. So kita akan guna thinner untuk cuci kotoran yang melekat kat sini. So bila pin dah masuk, kita skrukan. Very nice, perfect. Now we are done. Everything looks perfect. It cost me only 61 ringgit buying from Shopee. Okay.